Welcome to Sound Doctrine Studio, where we teach sound doctrine between the pages from Genesis to Revelation. Our mission is tearing down diluted doctrine and fables. Join us each Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. Central via YouTube and Facebook to hear from our teachers who will not only shed light in biblical understanding, but have also committed to answering your questions pertaining to their lesson at the end of each broadcast. Thank you for joining us, and again, we welcome you to Sound Doctrine Studio. Now, let's bend our books.
Pure and holy, I want to behold your glory. I want to shine in your kingdom where no ungodly shall enter. I want to be pure and holy. I want to behold your glory. I want to shine in your kingdom forever.